Clojure for Beginners, Episode 3. Values, not variables. Clojure avoids the word variable. Def binds globally. Let binds locally. Names never mutate. Start the REPL with CLJ. Use def to bind pi. Pi evaluates to its value. Another def, radius 5. Use them. Pi times r squared. Let binds names locally. R lives only inside. Multiple bindings in one let. Width 10, height 4. Let can shadow a def. Inside, pi is 3. Outside, unchanged. Pi is unchanged outside. Kebab-case, dashes between words, the Clojure convention. First name evaluates to Ada. Ctrl+D exits. Open values.clj in Neovim. 2 comment lines for the file header. Def section. Top-level bindings for pi and radius. Then compute and print the circle area. Let section. Local bindings for width and height. Each line its own binding. Kebab-case section. First name and last name joined with str. Shadow section. Pi is 3 inside the let. Unchanged outside. :bang CLJ-M%. Circle area: pi times 5 times 5, 78.5. Rectangle area: 10 times 4 is 40. Name: Ada Loveless. 3 strings joined with str. Shadow inside the let: pi was 3 there. Outside: pi is still 3.14159, unchanged. 5 outputs: 5 bindings in action. Values: never variables. Bindings point to values forever. Episode 3 complete. Recap: def binds globally. Let binds locally. Names are immutable, never reassigned. Shadowing is local only. Kebab-case is idiomatic. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Clojure tutorials. Next up, Episode 4. Functions with DEFN.